Good morning, students. Now today we will start the new topic that how to calculate arithmetic mean in the special cases. First case when the mid values are given, second case inclusive class interval, third case open AND series, fourth case unequal class interval, and the last one cumulative frequency distribution. These are the 5 special cases in which we have to calculate the arithmetic mean. So let's start with the first case when mid values are given to us. See, this is the mid values which is given to us 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, and these are the frequency. See, whenever the continuous series is given to us, first step what we usually do, first of all we convert the class interval into the mid values. That will become your x. Now f is given, so that means now the step is same. Now we will do, I am using shortcut method. So here in the shortcut method I am keeping 25 as a assumed mean. What is the formula of the shortcut method? X equals to a plus summation f dx upon summation f, right? So now first step is calculate dx. Now 5 minus 25 minus 20, 15 minus 25 minus 10, 25 minus 25 0, 35 minus 25 10, 45 minus 25 20. Now f into dx. F into dx, 4 into minus 20 minus 80, 8 into minus 10 minus 80, 10 into 0 0, 6 into 10 60, and 2 into 20 40. So your grand total is minus 60. Now we will put the values in the formula. Summation f, that means total of frequency, is 30. Now I will put the values in the formula. A 25, summation f dx minus 60 upon summation f 30. So your answer will be 23. So when the mid values are given, the same procedure what we usually did with the discrete series, in that same way you have to solve. It is up to you by which method you want to, by shortcut method, by direct method, or by the step division method. Here I have used the shortcut method. Now let's start with the second case. The second case is inclusive class interval. Now this is the question of the inclusive series. First of all, understand the meaning of the inclusive series. Inclusive series is that series in which the upper limit of the first class interval and the lower limit of the second class interval is not same. Here you can see 9 and here is 10, then 29, 10. So that means that is not same. So it is not compulsory in calculating arithmetic mean to convert this inclusive series into exclusive series. So your first step is to find out the mid value first of all. 50 plus 59 divided by 2. So your mid value is 54.5. Then second 44.5, 34.5, 24.5, 14.5 and 4.5. That means L1 plus L2 divided by 2 equals to 54.5. 40 plus 49 divided by 2, 44.5. Now after that, now here I am using the same step division method. Now I am going to use, because the values are big, so I want to change them into a very small way. So first of all dx. After that dx will be converted into dx dash, and then f into dx dash. So now first of all dx, that means from here now I have to assume. So I am assuming 24.5 as a assumed number. Okay, so that means now 54.5 minus 24.5 is 30. 44.5 minus 24.5, 20. 34.5 minus 24.5, 10, then 0, then minus 10 and minus 20. Now I want to convert it into more small value. So now I will choose one number as a common factor. So this is my C. Now all the numbers should be divided by 10. So 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Now dx multiplied by frequency f into dx dash. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 8 into 1 8, 10 into 0 0, 15 into 1 15, and 3 into 2 6. So now total we want, that total will be summation f dx dash, and the total of the frequency is 40. Total of all these values, don't forget to put minus value also, it's minus 4. Now step division method formula: a plus summation f dx dash upon summation f into c. A, the number which we have assumed was 24.5, and summation f dx dash totaling was minus 4 upon frequency total was 40 and common number was 10. So after the calculation your answer will be 23.5. So first of all, inclusive series, no need to change the inclusive series into exclusive series. Simply first of all get the mid value, then mid value में से we have assumed one number, we deduct all the numbers by the assumed number, so we got dx, then dx is converted into dx dash by choosing any one common number. After that dx dash is multiplied with frequency, so we got summation f dx dash, and after that we put the values in the formula. Now we will start the third case, open end series. Now the next case is open end series. Open end series is that series in which the lower limit of the first class interval and the upper limit of the last class interval is not given. So your first step is to convert these class intervals. So your x will be, first of all, here the gap, now we will keep 0 to 20, then 20 to 50, 50 to 90, 90 to 140, and 140 to 200. After that the frequency is same. Now your next step is to find out the mid value, because whenever the class interval is given, first we have to find out the mid value, L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So your first mid value is 10, then 35, then 70, then 115, and last one is your 170. Now I am solving this with the direct method. So according to direct method, simply you have to multiply mid value into frequency. So f into m, 10 into 10 100, 35 into 2 20, that is 700, 70 into 40 2800, then 15 into 115, that is 1725 and 2550. Now grand total (7875), and the total of the frequency is 100. Now the direct method formula is summation of fm upon summation of frequency. So your value is 7875 upon 100. So your answer is 78.75. Now the next type of the special case is unequal class interval. Unequal class interval in which you can see the gap between the class interval is different. Here the gap is of 10, then 10, 20, 30, 30. So there is no use to change the class interval. Directly also you can do. Simply you have to find out first of all mid value. So your mid value is 5, then 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 15, then 20 plus 40, 60 divided by 2, 30, then 55, and last one is your 85. So with direct method directly I am using. So f into m, 8 into 5 40, 12 into 15 is equals to 180, 30 into 30 900, 55 into 6 330, and 85 into 4 340. So total of this and total of this we want. So frequencies total is 60, and this one 1790. So now I am putting in the direct formula summation of fm upon summation of f. The summation of fm is 1790 upon 60 equals to 29.8. Now the next case is cumulative frequency distribution. The two cases are there, less than and more than. This is your question. Now first of all, this less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, 50, 60 and 70, and this is CF is given to us. Now first of all we have to convert it into the class interval. So class interval less than 20, that means gap is of 10 10, so that means 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Now this CF we have to convert it into the frequency, and CF to frequency how we will convert? By deducting from top to the bottom. So 5 as it is, 22 minus 5, 17, 48 minus 22, 26, 60 minus 48, 12, 83 minus 60, 23, and 100 minus 83, 17. That means first of all in the less than case we have to convert the CF into frequency by deducting from top to bottom. 22 minus 5, 48 minus 22, 60 minus 48, 83 minus 60, 100 minus 83. Now after that the same process we will follow. First of all mid value 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. Now shortcut method I am going to use. dx I am assuming as 45, I am assuming A. So here 50 minus 45 minus 30 minus 20 minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Now more we will convert it into dx dash. So 10 is my common factor, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So in the step division method, f into dx dash, this is your dx dash, this is your f, multiply both the things. 5 into minus 3, minus 15, 17 into minus 2, minus 34, 26 into minus 1, minus 26, 0, 23 and 34. Now total we want of this one and this one. So total of the frequency is 100 and this one is minus 18. Now the step division method formula, a plus summation f dx dash upon summation f. A 45 we have assumed, summation f dx dash minus 18 upon frequency is 100. So after calculating you will get, sorry, into C also I forgot, so into 10, so we will get the answer 43.2. So in the less than case, first of all make the class interval, because the gap is of 10 10 10, so that's why the first class interval we kept 10 to 20. In this way we have prepared the class interval. Then this CF is converted into the frequency. After that the process is same. Now in the cumulative frequency distribution, first is the less than case, now second we will discuss more than case. Now this is the more than case, in which more than 0, more than 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 is given. First of all we will convert it into the class interval. So more than 0, that means 0 to 10, because the gap is of 10 10. More than 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Now this one is your class interval. Now first we will calculate the mid value. Mid value 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Now this is your CF, number of persons are given. So now the CF we have to convert it into the frequency. So how we will convert? We have to deduct from bottom to top. So 4 as it is, 10 minus 4, 6, 26 minus 10, 16, 38 minus 26, 12, 45 minus 38, 7 and 50 minus 45, 5. You can check, if you will add all these values, you will get total 50. So in this way you can check. Now this one is your frequency, and now after that the process is same. Mid value you have, frequency you have. So now dx step division method we will go with this, and I will convert dx dash, and then next one is f into dx dash. Now I am assuming 25 as a assumed number, so minus 20, minus 10, 25 minus 25 0, 35 minus 25 10, 45 minus 25 20, 55 minus 25 30. Now 10 I am keeping as a common factor, so 20 divided by 10, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now dx dash multiplied by frequency, 5 into minus 2, minus 10, minus 7, 12 into 0, 0, 16 into 1, 16, 6 into 2, 12, and 4 into 3, 12. So total of this we want, so your total is 23, and total of the frequency is 50. Now same formula of step division, a plus summation f dx dash upon summation f into c. A 25 we have assumed, summation f dx dash total is 23, frequency total 50, and common factor 10. So after the calculation your answer will be 29.6. So these all are the special cases of the continuous series.